Mastering the art of how in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another exciting lesson on mastering English conversation. Today, we are going to dive into a very important topic, how, which is a powerful word we use when we want to ask about the manner or method of doing something. Understanding and using how correctly can drastically improve your conversation skills in English, so let's get started. First, let's explore what we mean by how. When we ask a question starting with how, we are trying to understand the process or method used to achieve or do something. It's a word that seeks explanation, and often the answer will involve a series of steps, a description, or an explanation. Here are some examples. 1. How do you make a cup of tea? 2. How did you learn English? 3. How can I get to the nearest supermarket? Each of these questions is asking for a description of the process or steps involved. How is a very versatile word and can be used in a variety of ways. Here, we will learn about the different contexts in which you can use how. 1. Asking about method or procedure. As discussed earlier, how is often used to inquire about the method or process to do something. For example, how do I use this software? 2. Asking about condition or quality. How can also ask about condition or quality of something or someone. This is often subjective, relating to personal opinion or experience. For example, how is your day going? 3. Asking about extent or degree. How can be used to ask about the extent or degree of something. This might involve numerical or quantitative responses. For example, how old are you? How far is the mall from here? Forming how questions is straightforward. Generally, we start with how, followed by the auxiliary verb, like is, do, does, did, etc., then the subject, and finally the main verb and other elements as needed. Here are a few examples. 1. How is your mother doing? 2. How do you fix a flat tire? 3. How does this machine work? That wraps up our lesson on how. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using how in your everyday conversations to better grasp its usage and improve your English fluency. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the concept of how and its use in forming questions. Stay tuned for our next lesson and keep practicing your English. See you soon!